What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I am demoing the Makeup Revolution Emily Edit Wants and Needs palette. These guys just came out at Ulta. Right now they're only online. I don't know when the release date is for in stores, but these palettes are super duper affordable, this being 15 bucks and this big guy being 20. If you are unfamiliar with Emily, she has been on YouTube for God knows how long. It's been a very long time. I know I have probably been following her since like 2011, 2012-ish, but she's an OG on here. She's always remained true. That's why I really enjoy her videos. They are extremely informational and just chock full of like the nitty gritty, getting straight down to the point. That's what I've always loved about her channel. So I just wanted to get on here today and create a makeup look. I have somewhere to be. As you can see, I already have my foundation and eyebrows on. So let's just go ahead and get right into a look. So here is the Needs palette, and I'll go ahead and link her video of like, you know, all the details on the palette. That way you can kind of get her point of view of everything. But this is how the palette looks. It's very sturdy. And when you open it up, you do get a full-size mirror here. And then you have these face shades, some eye shades. And she described this to be like either like a setting powder or, you know, like an all-over base color for your eyes. But I think I'm going to use the face products out of this palette. I'm not going to use any of the eyeshadow, or maybe I will, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to try to utilize all of the face shades out of this palette. And then as for the Wont palette, which was the palette that I was most excited about. At first I was like, I don't know if I need both, but after I was looking at it more online, I was like, let me stop trying to fool myself. Again, this guy comes with a full-size mirror as well. And then you've got all of these beautiful shades. And I really like the variety that she picked out here. Is something like I've never seen before, all in one palette. I feel like there's a good amount of mattes as well as shimmers. So I'm thinking I'm gonna come up with a pretty fun look today. I think I'm wearing this, so I think I want to keep it a little bit more neutral, but I really want to work with this green. So we'll just see where it goes. So yeah, let's dig right in. So for eyeshadow base, I'm just going to use my concealer because I didn't grab another one. All right, so let's go into the Needs palette first and use that Kindness shade. That's another thing that I really like about this palette. I really like the names. So I'm going to use this kind of like how she said to use it, as like a all over base color to kind of create a smoother canvas here. All right, next I am going to go into Midwest. Now Midwest speaks to my heart because your girl is in Ohio. So I'm really happy that somebody from the Midwest is getting put on and representing like this. So yeah, I'm just taking a Sigma E40 brush and I'm just going to blend that into all right, next I'm going to dig into Dues Paid here, and I'm just going to use this to deepen my crease area a little bit more. All right, so now I'm going to go into corduroy, which is this deep green color. And I'm just going to kind of use this almost like a liner and to kind of like smoke out the outer edge. So like almost creating like a V, because I'm not going to use like full on eyeliner today. Now I'm going to switch my brush to something a little bit more pointed so I can get that outer edge area. All right, now to add a little bit of sheen on the lid, I'm going to use Oh Heavens, which is just like this champagne-y shimmer color, just to kind of brighten up the inner eye. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and move on to concealer and stuff, and then we'll go back and finish up the eye. I'm just going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade Creamy Beige. All right, so now that I am concealed and my face is all set and everything, let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. So what do I want to use? I'm going to go back into Midwest, and I'm just going to run this on my lower lash line. I don't want this to start to get too smoky, so I'm going to keep it pretty simple from here. Now I'm going to go back into Douce Page. I feel like I want to add a little bit of highlight on my brow bone. Let me see. Let's just chill. Okay. So I'm just going to go on ahead and coat my lashes just real quick with a little bit of mascara to kind of prep them for my false lashes that I'm going to apply. All right, so moving on to the face. I am going to go on ahead and use Courage as my bronzer slash contour situation. I really like this color. It's not too warm and it's not too ashy. It's like the perfect in-between for bronzing slash contouring. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know how great it'll look on darker skin tones, but for like medium to light, I think it's pretty good. All right, so now we're going to use Joy as our blush color here. All right, now moving on to highlight, I am using Gratitude. Now this may be, I don't know, let's see. It's really soft. It's not too shimmery, too glittery. So if you like a softer highlight, this is nice, but I think I want a little bit more glow. So I'm going to top this with my Fenty Beauty Mean Money and Hustler Baby. I'm gonna go into, which one is this? Hustler Baby, which is more of my fave because it has a little bit more pow to it. And then I'm also gonna use this on my brow bone. Then too, I'm just going to go into Mean Money and brighten up my tear duct area. All right, and real quick for the lips, I am going to use my ColourPop lip liner. I don't even know what color this is. I think it's my Ray Ray release. But this is just kind of like my everyday lip liner. And then I'm just using a nude gloss. And instead of lashes, just because I'm running a little tight on time, I'm just going to add a little bit more mascara to my top and bottom lashes. All right, and here is the final look. All right, so overall, my thoughts on these palettes, I definitely like what I was able to create with this palette. As far as this guy, like I said, I really like the bronzer. Since I didn't use any of the eyeshadows here, I can't really make any sort of review, but I do wish that the highlight shade was just a little bit more intense. It's a bit more on the sheer side, so if you do like that, that's great, but for me personally, I do prefer to have something with a little bit more punch. Really love the blush, really love the bronzer out of here, and Kindness was really nice as just like an all-over base color. I will say with these shadows in here, I feel like everything was really, really true to color. It packed a punch as far as pigmentation. The green, you can still tell it's green, and it's not it hasn't muddied itself up at all on, like, you know, blended in with the other colors. So I do like that. So I do really, really like this palette so far, and I'm looking forward to creating more looks. So that wraps it up for this video. If you guys like these sort of just quick, get ready with me type of, you know, review-ish type of videos, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Peace.